Let's take a look at some irregular items to ensure best practices when capturing dimensions of irregulars and odd objects. Here you can see I've got an array of irregular and odd objects that we'll be taking some dimensions of. The process to begin that collection is very similar to boxes in that you navigate to the dimensioning icon on the right side of your screen and select the irregular mode. You'll know you've reached the correct method with the circle icon in the middle of your screen that will act as a navigator. There are a few key differences as well with the irregular and odd object method, the primary being directly over the top of the object as opposed to a 45-degree angle away from a box, for example. Now, one thing in the irregular mode that you do want to be aware of is when objects are too close together. The environment can get a bit too busy for the system for a fast capture. So I'll clear the space, ensuring that the phone in this case has space to view the object, and I'll repeat the process coming directly over the top of the object and getting a sub-second capture. If your arm begins to feel too high, you can always move the object to a lower cart.